Welcome to this week's news episode. On this week's news episode, Volkswagen admit they can't cope with the new emission standards, and today, Saturday and Sunday, I'm going to be at Fully Charged Live covering the event, and some interesting stuff's going to happen. So Volkswagen have temporarily shut down their Wolfsburg factory, and this is due to the new EU legislation that basically says all new cars now have to reach stricter emission standards, and one of those stricter emission standards is real-world life driving. Now, the reason Volkswagen have shut down the factory isn't because their cars don't meet the emission standards. No, that is actually a grabbing headline that all the headlines use it, that basically they can't meet it. No, they can meet it. The problem is they don't have enough emissions testing equipment to test the cars, so they're getting a massive backlog of cars, and because of this backlog of cars they're having to pause the factory so they're not wasting production time, production hours, and also factory thing. Now, there's a positive on that they are actually properly testing the cars. The fact that they haven't got enough testing equipment shows that they actually are trying to test the cars, and the factory shutdown shows that, because it's costing them money when they shut down the factory. But the negative spin on this is, why don't they just produce more electric cars, more hybrid cars? They have electric Volkswagen Golfs, yet for some reason you can't order one. There's huge waiting lists on them. So rather than concentrating on the cars that they have to emission tests and stuff like that, why don't they concentrate more on the battery cars, the battery tech, and build more battery factories to actually put the batteries in the cars that there is demand for? If you're new to my channel, I make EV videos every single week. Some are tech related, some are reviews, some are vlogs. If you like that kind of content and you've got an electric car, or you're even thinking about buying an electric car, there's tips in there as well. Please click the subscribe button. It's down at the bottom right, picture of my face. Click subscribe there, or scroll down to the red button on YouTube that says subscribe. If you are already subscribed, consider hitting the notification bell button. That'll alert you every time I make a new upload. This video should have been released at 6 AM on Saturday if my scheduling system worked properly, and in which case this Saturday that it's been released is Fully Charged Live. If that date's already passed, sorry you've missed what I'm about to say, but I'm going to be at Fully Charged Live on Saturday and the Sunday, which means if you see me, come and say hello. I'd love to meet any of my subscribers that are actually at the event. Be nice to meet you. I will be vlogging all day. I will be trying to get some really good content of stuff that I see there that day. I'm also hoping, please, really hoping to do some interviews with some really influential people that are not really on the camera, they're more behind the scenes people. So they're more like battery tech experts, PR people from other car manufacturers. I'm going to try and improve my networking, sort of connections with people. If you are from a brand or a company and you want to approach me about working together, doing a video, doing a sponsorship on my channel, please come and talk to me. I'll be there all day. I'll be in the main hall and the green room, and I'll also be doing the taxi service up and down. I'll either be in a Zoe, there's a very small chance I'll be in someone's Tesla. Can't say who till the day, but you'll probably see me in a Tesla or a Zoe. If you see a Zoe covered in RZOC stickers, that'll be Craig's Zoe. It'll either be driven by myself or Craig. So the taxi that on Fully Charged video that gets you from the car park to the main hall will be run by the Renault Zoe Owners Club, Tesla Owners Club, and there's also electric buses, and there's a few other things there that day. If you see any of the vloggers, me or Craig, come and say hello. We are having a curry night. We're going out for, well, not really curry, we're going to the Milton Keynes buffet in Milton Keynes on the Saturday night. If you'd like to come and you're part of the club or you're one of my followers, please come up to us, tell us that you'd like to come to the meal at Milton Keynes, and we can put you down on the list for our meal at that night, for having a bite to eat and having a chat. Everyone who's going is an EV enthusiast, into EVs, so it'd be really, really good for everyone to have a good chat. It's basically going to be a room of people who are into this renewable technology and just having a chat, a bit of a chinwag and a few drinks and a bit of food. Thanks so much for watching this week's short little news vlog. If you've enjoyed it, don't forget to click subscribe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you again next week. Goodbye.